What do you do with the words you never got to say? When a season ends, when a relationship breaks, or when a person is taken from your life, the love doesn't just vanish, it stays behind. But without a home, that love turns into a heavy, quiet ache. We call it grief, we call it hurt, but really it's just a collection of unaddressed letters with nowhere left to go. Most people will tell you to just move on. They'll tell you to forget the sting. But healing isn't about erasing the past, it's about acknowledging it. Today, we aren't running from the ache. We are putting a stamp on it. These are short, powerful narratives on processing the hurts we carry. These are Postcards to the Pain. Postcard 1. To the Empty Space. Dear Absence, you are much louder than I expected you to be. When the door first closed, I thought the hardest part would be the anger. But it wasn't. The hardest part is the quiet. It's the habit of looking up to tell you a joke, only to remember to whom the room belongs now. For months, I treated your memory like a ghost haunting my halls. I locked the doors to the rooms we used to share. But I am realizing now that grief is not a sign that I am broken. It is the proof that I loved fiercely. The pain I feel is just the price of admission for having experienced something truly beautiful. I am no longer trying to fill the void you left behind. I am learning to sit in it, honor it, and let it soften me. Postcard 2. To the person I was when it happened. Dear younger self, I am so sorry I blamed you for not knowing how to protect yourself. I spent years being angry at you for staying too long, for believing the lies, and for letting your guard down. I hated how fragile you were. But looking back at you through the lens of time, all I feel now is an overwhelming rush of gratitude. You didn't have the tools I have today. You were navigating a storm without a map, and yet somehow you kept your heart soft enough to ensure that I survived. You absorbed the blows so that I could inherit the wisdom. You didn't fail. You endured. Today I am officially relieving you of your duty. You can rest now. I've got it from here. Grief is a heavy weight when you try to carry it all at once. But when you break it down into these small, honest postcards, you realize something profound. The pain doesn't have to leave for the peace to arrive. You can carry a scar and still be beautiful. You can have a bruised history and still build a magnificent tomorrow. We don't heal by forgetting what hurt us. We heal by sending the pain away from the center of our lives. We place it in the archives of our history. It is a chapter we went through, but it is no longer the hand that holds the pen. The ink is dry on those dark days. The next page is completely blank. To anyone watching this who is fighting a quiet battle with grief, heartbreak, or loss, your tears are not a weakness. They are just the receipts of your capacity to care. If you are ready to mail away an old piece of pain today, let's unburden ourselves together in the comments. Drop a line and write, "The letter is sent. I am letting it go." This is the Mirage Archive, a sanctuary for the stories of human endurance, recovery, and quiet triumph. If you need a gentle space to heal, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and walk this road with us. Until next time, be kind to your heart.